Yeet. We're back.
With more pack openings.
How often are we gonna do this?
As often as necessary. As you may remember, on the last time we opened Crimson Invasions, we did not have the greatest of luck. Namely, because I pulled a lot of commons where I shouldn't have.
It's because you're a ginger.
I guess so. Crimson Invasion hates gingers. Confirmed. Like the Illuminati. Insert Illuminati. Alright. On to the packs. Why are you taking my cards? No! No! Stop! Stop! I know what you're doing. Stop!
He's like, no. Oh,
Cut it out!
What's wrong with these?
What do you mean? What's wrong with those?
These are not the. Oh. These don't open as nicely as the other ones did. These are mean.
Just tear off the top. Just tear off the top. You're gonna break the cards. No.
I am not. It's. Why are you tearing in such an awkward place? Oh.
What?
It's got perforated holes right here.
Yeah.
What?
Houndour, Bunnelby, Shellos, Cubone, Feebas, and a Grumpig as the reverse. And for the end, we got a regular rare. We're off to a good start, you guys. Not a great start. Give me that. Disinvited Voice is having difficulties this opening.
They changed up the formula, man.
Look at it. Look at him. You just tear it off the top, dude.
No, that's just wrong.
You're wrong. You're not even real. Alright. Here's the code for you computer junkies. 1, 2, 3 to the front. And then get rid of the energy. That's a dark energy. And on the front we got the counter energy. We got Axelgor. I think that's how you pronounce it. Lusamine. Mankey. Swinub. Cacnea. Bunnelby. Shellos. Pikachu as the reverse. And for the end card, we've got... Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Is it really not? Is this... Someone's gonna have to explain this to me that it's not a freaking guaranteed rare. Because this is retarded. This is absurd. I don't like this. Frick.
You know what's absurd is the way they package these cards. That's absurd.
It is kind of absurd.
This is
But,
ridiculous.
you know, that's how the world works.
The others were easier. I don't know if they changed their glue formula.
I don't know.
They had to. This doesn't make any sense.
Peking Red card, Piloswine, Alolan Graveler, Aaron, Mankey, Swinub, Cacnea, Bunnelby. I feel like this is the same cards over and over. Swinub is the reverse. And for the final card, we've got Komo-o. Komo-o.
Kimono.
Kimono.
I don't know.
Dragon wearing a kimono. Thank you. Oh, okay.
Yeah, there you
On into the next one. Boom!
go.
1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of this energy. We got Emolga, Ilaron, Cinccino, Mankey, a Remoraid, Shellos, Bunnelby, a Magikarp with the Magikarp robot in the back, Swablu as the reverse, and for the end, we got an Octillery. It's a rare, no worries, but not holo, not GX, not anything. Thank you.
I don't know what I was thinking. I actually
Yeah,
didn't need to pull the cards out.
He handed me the foil with it,
Here's the card, but
and
I already know.
your code for the one person who gets it. 1, 2, 3 to the front. You get rid of this. And then we got the kid, edgy teenager, Cincino, Miltank with the big ol' jugs. A Feebas, the Stuffle, Miss Drevis looking mischievous. That's a joke, ladies and gentlemen. Chimeco.
It's not a good one.
The Skiddo, the Jangmo, and on the end we got a Primate, another rare, just a regular rare. Thank you. This is not great. I will tell you this right now. It's not great. We've been through however many packs we've been through, and it's not been bearing fruit. Shite.
Just like my life at the moment. Why'd I burn myself?
Yeah, that was uncalled for on you.
Me.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of this energy. There's not as much commentary in this one. I'm kind of sad. I need to fill some time. I don't know how to fill some time. Sea of Nothingness. That was a bad omen last time.
I think you were just
freaking.
I think you were just too emotionally attached to revenge of these. You were seeking revenge, and you've opened them quickly.
Yeah, I guess so. I was just not thinking about it, and I was just going absolutely just crazy on these. Just because I was quite irate at
I'll
the.
say.
Yeah, if you didn't check that video out, then there will be a link in the description to where you can see me go absolutely crazy over a children's card game, and on the end, dang it.
Dang it.
This is booty cheese. A whole bunch of booty cheese. Not a single holo, not a single GX. Not even. Some of them were even commons still, which makes me even angrier because I thought you were supposed to get a freaking rare on the back. Also, I didn't show this on camera because I don't think it's very exciting, but I also bought a box of Shining Legends, and it was the Shiny Darkrai GX version where you get this promo on the front. Thank you. This one, and I'll show you the haul. We got that guy, the Shaman. We got Yveltal, and we got Keldeo, and we got Hoopa. So nothing to write home about, but you know, I had to show something in this video, I guess. Nice. That's a real bummer. Not gonna lie, I'm really bummed out right now.
Peace. Peace to be with you, brother.
No peace. No peace for these kids. No peace for me right now. Because
no peace for me, no peace for you.
No peace for me. No peace for you. Sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
Bye.
And I guess I'll see you in the next one if you decide to come back.